Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app using React and third party API as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art book search app using React and third party API as well. So guys, here in this video we will also learn that what is API and how to fetch the API data in React and how to show them on the browser to our user, and we will also learn what is API integration and how to do API integration in React to create an awesome dynamic and state of the art React book search app with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and third-party API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, book search app in React with pagination. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session, we will also know that how to create an awesome dynamic pagination as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one search input field. Okay, and on the right hand side we can see here one button also called search book. So guys, as of now, right now, I am searching here Harry Potter book. So here we can see here the showing results for Harry Potter also. And guys, this is the data, this is the API data we are fetching from the third party API. Okay, and we are showing this on the browser to our user. And guys, this is the pagination also. Here we can see here. So guys, here I'm getting here 100 data. So guys, here I'm getting here 100 data. So it is not feasible, it is not like good practice also to show the entire data on the screen on the browser to our user, because we are getting 100 data. Okay, so guys, you can see, you can just imagine, this is not good, this is not feasible to show the entire 100 data on the browser to our user. So guys, that's the reason I have created here the pagination as well. So guys, on this single page, on a single page, I'm showing here only 10 data, I'm showing here only 10 book. Okay, and like rest book we will show here on the next page, to the next page. Okay, so here this is the reason I have created here pagination. Okay, so as of now, like I told you, we are getting here 100 data. So I'm showing here only 10, okay, books or only 10 data on a single page. So technically we will get here 10 pagination button as well, because we are getting here 100 data and I'm showing here only 10 data, only 10 book on a single page on a browser. So technically we will get here 10 pagination button as well. So we can see here, this is the buttons of the pagination, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9 and page 10. So let me just click this page 2 button. You can see, we can see here the data is being changed. Okay, you can see here the data is being changed. Okay, go to the third page, see the data is being changed. Go to the fourth page, see the data is being changed. Okay, go to the fifth page. Okay, Go to the sixth page. Go to the seventh page. Go to the eighth page. Go to the ninth page. Okay, go to the 10th page. Okay, so guys, let me explain you, let me just tell you one very important things. Guys, this React book search app is very dynamic, is very vast. Okay guys, we can search any kind of book. Okay, any kind of book guys, literally any kind of book we can search here from this React app. Okay, we can search here physics book, chemistry book, mathematics book. Okay, like any sci-fi book. Okay, computer science book, quantum computing book, guys, like fictional love story. Guys, we can search any kind of book using this book search app. Okay, so let me just give you a few demos also. Let me just show you few let me just give you a few examples as well. Okay, so I'll just search here math, so hit enter. You can see here like I'm showing here the loading like spinner as well. You can see here showing the result for math. Okay, and we can see here we're getting the data also, and we can see here right now we are on the first page. So let me just go to the second page. You can see here data is being changed. Okay, so go to the third page. Go to the fourth page. See, these all books are related to mathematics only. Okay, and guys, we can see the these like any book details in the modal as well. So let me just click anywhere on this book card to see the each and every details in the modal as well. So click anywhere on this book card. See, we can see here each and everything in the nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so this is the title of the book, this is the book pic or image, this is the title, author, publisher, published year, and language also I have shown here each and everything. So close this. Okay, so guys, as of now I have just shown here the book pic or the book image, book name, author, and publish year. Guys, you can show like any details, you can just show other details as well. It's totally up to you, it's totally up to us only, but for the demo I have shown here this much of data. Okay, just to explain you, just to just to explain you the things. Okay, so go here on the fifth page. See, the data is being changed. We can see the details also in the modal also. See, so guys, it is going to take a few seconds. Okay, because we are fetching here each and everything from the external API, from the external server. So it is going to take a few seconds or fraction of seconds for the updation. Okay, so it will take few seconds to be updated. Okay, so just close this. I want to see this details. So see, close this algorithms. Okay, so we can see here I have shown here title, author, publisher, publish year, and the language as well. So dismiss this. Okay, so just go on the sixth page. You can see here the data is being changed. Okay, go to the seventh page. Go to the eighth page. Okay, and we can see each and everything in the modal as well. Okay, all the data about the particular book. Okay, so close this. Go to the ninth page. Go to the 10th page. So this is it. So you can see here I'm showing here showing result for maths. Okay, and guys, this is the button. From this button we can apply dark mode as well as light mode. Okay, so from this button we can toggle the theme between light mode and dark mode. And guys, our theme is going to be persist here. Okay, like what is the meaning of persistent? Okay, so guys, the dark mode or the light mode is going to persist. Okay, even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page also, then also the theme mode like dark mode or light mode, it is going to persist. Okay, so let me just apply here the dark mode. Okay, so click this button, dark mode, to apply the dark mode. So we can see here the dark mode is now applied. So guys, we can see here the dark mode is applied. Okay, and it is persistent throughout the page. Okay guys, it is going to persist, okay, throughout the page, like after the reloading of the page also, after the refreshment of the page also, this dark mode is not going to vanish. This dark mode is not going to be removed. Okay, so let me just refresh the page. You can see here the dark mode will the dark mode is still persist. It is not going to remove, it is not going to vanish. Okay, so go to the search here, any kind of book, I'll search here physics book, hit enter, or we can hit the button search book as well, but hit enter as of now this time. So showing results for physics. So we can see here these all books are related to physics only. Okay, so this is it. Go to the second page. You can see here the data is being changed. Go to the third page. Okay, go to the fifth page or fourth page. Go to the fifth page. Okay, go to the 10th page. I have shown here the tooltip as well. Okay, I have shown here tooltip as well. So we can see here all these data is now being changed. Okay, so guys, let me tell you one very important things. Okay guys, this video is very beginner friendly. Guys, if you are learning React.js in 2025, and if you are new to React.js, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video till last. Okay, because guys, from this video, from this session, we have got a lot of things to learn in React. Okay, like we will learn what is use state hook, what is use effect hook, and how to use these two hooks, okay, to create any kind of application, any kind of dynamic application in React. Okay, like this book search app with pagination as well. Okay, so we will learn here guys what is use state hook, what is use effect hook, and how to do side effects using use effect hook. Okay, and how to create the state variable, and how to update the state on click event using the use state hook in React in this video, in this session. So guys, this video is this video is very beneficial, very okay, suitable for beginners in React.js. And if you are learning React.js in 2025, and if you are new to React.js, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video till last. Okay, because this is very dynamic and this is very vast book search app. Okay guys, we can search we can search any kind of book, any kind of literally guys, any kind of book using this React book search app. Okay, so let me just search here computer, hit enter. You can see here showing results for computer, and these all books are related to only computers. Okay, you can see here these all books are related to computer only. So let me just go to the second page, go to the third page, go to the, we can see here all the things in the modal as well. Go to the fourth page. You can see the data is being changed now. Go to the fifth page. You can see here the data is being changed. Okay, so we can see here each and every details also in the modal as well. So it is going to take a bit time to be updated, because we are fetching each and everything from the external API, from the external server. So close this, see this, cancel this. Okay, so search here, close this. So search here quantum computing, hit enter. You can see here, we can see here all these books are now related to quantum computing. Okay, related to quantum computing. So we can see the details also in the modal as well. Close this and go to the second page. Go to the third page also. You can see the data is being changed. Okay, so go to the fourth page. to the fifth page. So let me just search here. I can guys search here the books using the author name as well. Okay, guys, we can search here the book using the author name as well. Okay, so let me just search here the book using the author name. I'll say here, say here, Bill Gates. Okay, let's see. Hit enter. So see, you can see here guys, we can search here the book using the author name as well. Okay, you can see here these all books have been written by Bill Gates only. You can see Bill Gates. We can search, we can see the details also in the modal. Click OK. You can see here. Okay, so go to the second page. Go to the third page, go to the 10th page, and we can see the data is being changed. Okay, so let me just search here. Like I explained you, we can search the book using the author name as well. We can search here any kind of book. I'll just say here, Gita. Hit enter. You can see here, we can see the details. We can see the books also, related to Bhagavad Gita. Okay, you can see here Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so let's just search here Bible. Hit enter. You can see here Bible. Okay, so this is the Holy Bible. Okay, so you can see here we can guys search any kind of book. Okay, like Kama Sutra also, Ramayana also. Okay, so let me just search here Quran. Showing result for Quran. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so we can see here Quran, English translation, clear, easy to read, and modern English pure. Okay, so guys, go to the second page, and we can see the details also. Okay, so it is going to take a bit time to be updated. Go to the fifth page, go to the 9th page or 10th page, and we can see the details also in the modal as well. Okay, so we can dismiss this modal either by clicking anywhere on this gray area, or by clicking these two buttons, cancel and OK. Okay, so let me just search here. Like guys, I explained you, I told you also that this book search app is very dynamic, very vast. We can search any kind of book using the book name, using the author name as well. Okay, so we can search the book using the book name itself, and using the author name as well. Okay, so let me just search here. I'll just say here bills. Okay, say here bills. Hit enter. So you can see here the author name. Okay, using the author name also I have searched here book. Okay, so let me just guys, let me just put here any random text. Okay, now try to search the book. So we can see here no books to show. Okay, so we have to either put here the book name or the author name, and if we will put any random text, you can see that no books to show. Okay, so we have to put here either author name or the book name. Okay, so we can just say here, I'll just say here English. I'll say here literature. Hit enter. You can see here English showing results for English literature. Okay, so we can go to the second page. We can go any page. Okay, we can go on the any page. Go to the 10th page. Okay, so this is it. I explained you. We can see each and everything in the modal as well. Okay, whenever you will click on any of the book card. Okay, so this is the pagination. We will also learn here. So guys, let it be. I'm not going to give you all the example because it is going to take a lot of time also, and due to that, okay, video will be little larger. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, we're going to learn in this video, in this session, and you can see here I've applied here the dark mode also, and it will remain here, it will persist here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page as well. Okay, so we can just see each and everything in the modal as well. You can just toggle the theme using this button, light mode and dark mode. Okay, so we can toggle the theme using this button, light mode and dark mode. And this is the search input field. We can search any book. Okay, provided we have to enter here the author name or the correct book name. Otherwise, if you will enter anything and you will try to search the book, you will get the result also saying no books to show. So search book, you can see here no books to show. So guys, this is it. I've explained you each and everything, and let me just let me just search here few more books to show you. So I'll just search here biology book, hit enter. You can see here showing results for biology. Okay, you can see here these all books are related to biology. Okay, you can see here these all books are related to biology only. So Charles Darwin's. Okay, so he has given two very important theory. Okay, survival of the fittest. Okay, and struggle for the existence. Okay, so guys, these, okay, Charles Darwin has given very, okay, two very important theory. Okay guys, it is still, okay, true, it is still today valid. Okay, and guys, it is still like, okay, working today itself. Okay, in today's modern and computer age, era as well. Okay, survival of the fittest and struggle for the existence. Okay, so go to the fifth page. So guys, this is it. I feel I have explained you each and every feature, each and every functionalities of this, okay, book search app in React. And we will also learn how to create pagination in React, and we will also learn what is API and how to do it, API integration, and how to fetch the API data in our React app, and how to show them on the browser. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this awesome and dynamic and state of the art React book search app with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you guys, please guys, please do subscribe now. My channel code with ER. Please guys, please subscribe now. My channel code with ER, and please like this video also, and please like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so please guys, please, it's a humble request. Okay, it's a request from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother. Please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my channel code with ER, by liking this video as well, and by liking all my videos also. And please guys, please do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues also, with your group also. Please guys, please do share this video with your friend, with your group, with your colleagues as well. Okay, please. Okay, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my this channel code with ER. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. Okay, from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now, please. And you can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts. Okay, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. So I'm hoping guys you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. And please guys, please, okay, do comment something what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session. Guys, you can give me the feedback also. It can be negative, it can be positive as well. You can just guys, okay, try to put, okay, anything like what you have learned, what you have gained, what you have, okay, learned new in React from this video, from this session. Okay, please guys, do comment something. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this React book search app with pagination using the third-party API as well. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences, but I'm going to use here VS Code editor. Okay, so let me just create here one new file. I'll just go to the components folder. Let me just say here React book search apps, okay, dot .jsx. Hit enter. Okay, so let me just import here React also. So I will import here React. From React only I'll import here the hooks also, few hooks also from React itself only. I'll just use here use state hook first, and I'll use here the use effect hook also. So guys, this use state hook is used to create the state variables, okay, and this use effect, okay, hook is used to perform the side effects, okay, like data fetching, updating the DOM, updating the document title, subscribing to some subscriptions, like creating the timer, creating some events also. So these are the examples of use side effects in React. Okay, we will perform the side effects using the use effect hook, and we will use this use state hook to create the state variable in React. Okay, so this is it. Let me just import here few things also. So let me just to import here I'm going to import here the Axios. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use here the Axios, okay, to fetch the third-party API. So I'll just import the Axios as well. So Axios, from Axios, this is it. And now let me just import here the loading also, like I showed you the loading spinner. Okay, so I'll just import it from the clip loader. Okay, so I'll just say here slash clip loader. Okay, and let me just remove this curly braces from here, and let me just import here the components from the ant design as well. So I'll just use here the ant design as well. So I'll just import here the empty component first, and I'll just import the modal component as well. So modal component, and I'll just import here the tooltip component as well. Okay, this is it. So this is it, guys. Let me just create here main component. Okay, so I'll just create here the main component. I'll just say here book search apps in React equal to, I'll use here the fire data function like this. So I'll just close this. Let me just create here the it is going to return all the things. Let me just create here the main div or the container div or the wrapper div as well. So I'll just create the div. I'll just give the class name also. I'll just say here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. I'll just use the container class container, and just to close this div, and let me just create here button to apply the dark mode or the light mode. Okay, so first of all, let me just create here the div. I'll just give the class name also text center, and I'll just close this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here button to create the dark mode and light mode button. So close this button, and I'll just give here the class name also. So let's just make this class a dynamic class using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just say here btn and dollar sign, not hash dollar. Okay, so using open and closing curly braces, and let me just, guys, create here. So as of now, let's just remove this. Okay, and I'll say here btn info. Okay, btn info, and I'll just say here, I'll just give you the button text. As of now, static button text. So I'll just say here dark mode. Okay, we will make this dynamic. Okay, we will make this button dynamic in a few moments. Okay, so let's just save the file, and below this div I'm going to create here h1 element. So let me just go here. Let me just copy this h1 very quickly from here. So copy it from here and just come here and just paste it here. So this is it. Let me just do like this. Okay, so guys, as of now, let me just export it also. So I'll just say here export default and book okay, book search apps in React. So just close this. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and come to the app.jsx. So we are going to import it also, this newly created component we will just import it here. So I'll just say here import book, okay, search apps in React.js. So copy it from here and go down, and let me just paste it here. So just close this. As of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So go down, so we can see here the text also, book search app in React with pagination. So guys, let me just hide this app. Let me just comment this old app. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So let me just comment this out. Okay, comment this out and come up. Let me just comment this out as well. So save the file, have a look in the browser. Now we can see here the heading also, book search app in React with pagination. So come to the code now, this code. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here few state variables. Okay guys, I'm going to create here few state variables. Okay, so I'll just create here const, I'll just say here books, and I'll just say here set books from where, from use state. And as of now, let me just create here the empty array. So guys, this is the default value, this is the initial value of this books state variable. Okay, so guys, this first element is known as the state variable, and this set books is known as the state updater function. Okay, and this is known as the array destructuring. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to create here a few more state variables. I'll just say here search term, I'll say here set search term equal to use state, and this is it. Okay, as of now, let it be blank or the empty string. Let me just create here few more state variable. I will just say here const, I'll just say here loading. Okay, and I'll just say here set set loading equal to use state. Okay, and as of now, just give here the default value as a false. Okay, so true and false is known as the boolean value. Okay, I'll just create here few more state variables. I will just say here the error to show the error to the user. Okay, I'll just say here set error, and I'll just say here use state, and as of now just give here null value. Okay, and I'll just create here like a state variable for the modal data as well. Okay, for the modal as well, let me just create it right now only. Okay, or let's just let it be. I'll just create here dark mode to apply dark mode or the light mode. I'll just say here set set dark mode, and I'll just say here is use state. So as of now, just give here false. Okay, so default value will be false. Okay, so by default we will apply here the light mode to our React app. Okay, so this is it. So copy now this dark mode state variable from here, and now we will apply here the dynamic classes using the curly braces or and dollar sign. Okay, so if this is true, if dark mode is true, we will apply here btn btn say here btn danger. Okay, or say here warning. Okay, so warning. Otherwise we will apply here btn say here info. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just remove this static text and just use here open and closing curly braces this dark mode state variable. And if this is true, which means a dark mode is applied, so we will say here apply light mode. Okay, so guys, it's okay, so which means if dark mode is true, so which means apply the dark mode is applied. Okay, which means the dark mode is applied, and we will say here apply light mode. If it is false, if it is false, we will say here apply apply dark mode. Okay, so apply dark mode. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here apply dark mode. So let me just make it true, let me just make it true. So now we will see here this text apply light mode. Okay, and we will see here this, okay, button warning will be applied. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here the button warning class is now applied, and you can see here light mode, apply light mode. So just make it false again. So by default light mode will be applied. Okay, so you can see here this is it. So now now we are going to create here the search input field. Okay, so first of all guys, we are going to create here the search input field. Okay, so guys, now first of all we are going to create here the search input field. Okay, where we will have a search input field and the button also to search the books. Okay, so I'll just create here the form and just close this form, and I'll just give the class name also. I'll give the class name also to this form. I'll say here margin top say here 5, anything is okay, it's only up to us. I'll just create here the div also inside this form. Let me just give you the class name also. I'll say here input. Okay, input group. So just to close this div and open this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm going to create here the input. Okay, search input field. I'll just say here input and just open this. I'll just say here type also. We can give here type anything. Say here I can just give here text. Okay, say here placeholder also. Enter book name to search a book. This is it. So I'll just give you the class name also. Class name, okay, form control. So guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. We can see here because the input search field. Let me just create here the button also very quickly. So button, and let me just give here the type attribute. Okay, so I'll just say here type submit. Okay, give the class name also btn. I'll just say here warning. Okay, I like to use here warning classes. I'll just say here search book. This is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here the button is here now, search book. Okay, and guys, now so as of now guys, on this, okay, form we have to create here one method also. So I'll just say here on submit. Okay, on submit we have to create here one method, and I'm going to name this method as a handle search. Okay, so as of now just copy this method name handle search, and we have to define it as of now, otherwise it is going to give us the error. Okay, so const like this, and let me just pass here the event object, because submitting is the event. Okay, submitting is the form is an event. Okay, so this is it. As of now just say here event dot prevent default. This is it. So close this. Okay, as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can't, okay, see any issues. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to okay, so guys, now we have to okay, like link, or we have to attach this input field. Okay guys, now we have to link or attach this search input field with our state variable as well. So we are going to do that now. So just to copy this search term state variable from here, and we have to say here value equal to this search term. Okay, so guys, in this way we have linked, we have connected, or we have attached this search input field with our this search term state variable, with this search term state variable, and we have to now use this search term state updater function to handle the changes. User is going to change book name like physics, chemistry, math, biology, such kind of events. Okay, we have to handle using this on change method. Okay, so pass here event object equal to like this, say here like this, and we will say here this event dot target dot value. Okay, event dot target dot value. So guys, in this way, so guys, in this way, on change, okay, we are going to handle the on change event or the attribute of this search input field, which user can enter any kind of book name like physics, chemistry, math, biology. Guys, he or she can search any kind of book using this on change event. Okay, so let me just, now we can see here, we can type anything, we can search anything. Okay, and how this is possible? This is possible just because of this on change event. Okay, so let me just remove this from here and now save the file. And now we can't type anything. Okay, we can't type anything, we can't type anything on this in this search input field. Okay, so for this we have to say here on change event. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now type anything, we can type anything. Okay, so this is it. Through this search I mean the attribute value, we are going to connect this, okay, search term state variable, and through this on change, say here set search term set, okay, set search term state updater function, we can handle on change event of this search input field. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, so below now we are going to create here one div. Okay, so let me just, okay guys, let me just show you one thing very important. So copy this search term state variable, and below this we can say here like this. So save the file. Now we can see here, we can see whatever user is going to enter, we can see. Okay, so in this way we can handle the user value. Okay, this is it. So let me just remove this as of now. Let me just create here another div. So I'll just create here, let's just cut this out and create here open and closing curly braces. And now let's just copy this, okay, book search state variable, and we will just say here, we will just check with the length. Okay, we will say here book dot length. Okay, if it is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0. Okay, and we will also check using the and. Okay, using this and. Okay, this search term, okay, this search term dot, we will say here dot trim. Okay, dot trim. Okay, dot trim, if it is, okay, if everything is like not a dollar, it's not dollar, it's and. Okay, so now we will just create here, I'll just create here the h5 element. Okay, h5, so h5, and now give the class name also. I'll say here font weight bold, I'll just say here bold. Okay, I'll just say here display, say here 4. So open this div, I'll just say here showing. Okay, showing results, results 4. So let me just create here the strong element. So I'll just say here strong and strong. So copy this search term state variable. So let me just paste it here inside the open and closing curly braces. So this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it as of now. Just save the file and have a look in the browser. So okay, so put here anything, I'll just say here book. Okay, but as of now we can't see anything. Okay, as of now we can't see anything, so let it be. Okay, let it be as of now, let it be. Okay, so guys, first of all we have to write here one method as well. Okay, so guys, first of all we have to write here one method. So I am going to write here one method. Okay, so guys, let me just write here one method very quickly. So come up and here, okay, here I'm going to create here one method. Okay, so let me just create here one method here very quickly. Okay, so guys, we have to create here one const. Okay, so const, I'll just say here fetch books. Okay, this is it. Fetch books. Okay, and give equal to, I'll use here the async. Okay, async method, I'm going to use here async like a keyword. So we have to use here the await keyword as well inside the function body. Okay, so I'll use here the fire function like this, and just to close this. And now this is it. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, set loading state updater function, and we have to say here. So let me just say here, as of now just make it true. Okay, so I'll just write the comment here for you. So I'll just say here show loading or loader while we are fetching the data. Okay, this is it. Not we don't to close this. Okay, why to close this? Okay, and now let me just cut this copy this set book state updater function, and we will just say here, and we will just say here and put here the blank or the empty array. So I will just write the comment here for also. I'll just say here clear any any previous results. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to use here the try catch block. So I'm going to use here the try and catch block. Okay, like this. I'm going to use here try catch block like this, and we will use here the finally block as well. So we all know what is the feature, what is the functionalities of this finally block. Okay, I'm not going to explain you each and everything, okay, again and again in every videos. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just let me just create here one const. Okay, and we have to use here the const. I'll just say here response. So I'll just say here res. Okay, instead of a response, or say here response only, because we are getting response at the end. Okay, and I'll use here the await keyword to wait for the promise to be resolved. Okay, to wait for the response. Okay, so I'll just use here the guys Axios. So copy this Axios from here and paste it here, and we will use here the get method. Okay, we will use here the get method, and guys, we have to pass the API URL as a parameter of this get method. Okay, so guys, we have to pass here the API URL as a parameter to this get method. Okay, so let me just copy the API URL from the previous example only. So let me just copy this from here and just come up here, and now I'll use here the backtick. Okay, to make the variable. Okay, this variable, this search term variable, I explain you like what is okay, as of now we will get the issue here. So let me just comment this out. Okay, just comment this out as of now, and now let me just explain you. So guys, whatever user is going to search, okay, whatever user is going to enter into this search input field. Okay guys, whatever user is going to enter any book name, physics, chemistry, math, biology, and whatever user is going to enter into this search input field. Okay, into this search input field, it is going to come here inside this search term state variable. Okay, it is going to come here inside this search term state variable, because you can see here, because we can see here this search term is now linked, okay, with this input field. Okay, with this input field, and you can see here this is the state variable only. So whatever user is going to enter, whatever user is going to search from this search input field, it will definitely come here inside this search term state variable. Okay, and we will get it here also. So just comment this out. Okay, just comment this out. So this is it. Okay, as of now guys, this is it. So now let me just say here, so we have to get here the response as well. So let me just first of all, let me just console it log for you. Okay, so let me just console.log, and now let me just close this. We will just say here as of now, let me just show here the response, and now copy this and copy this out and just paste it here. I'll just say here response dot data, and now again paste it. So we will get here guys, we will get here the actual data inside the response dot data dot docs. Okay, inside the actual data guys, actual data is inside this docs. Okay, inside this docs. Okay, so as of now just save the file and come to this catch block. Okay, so guys, anything will happen inside this try block. Okay guys, suppose anything will happen, unwanted will happen inside this try block, so our control will come to this catch block, and we are going to catch the error inside this catch block. Okay, so now just to pass here the error object as well. So like this. So let me just say here console.error. I'll just console.log the error to the user. Okay, for the user to see. Okay, I'll just say here error of fetching the data. Okay, give a space, give colon, give comma. I'll just show here the entire error as well. Okay, entire error as well. Let me just copy this set error state updater function, and now say here, I'll just say here, just to copy this. Okay, it's not say here data. Okay, so just guys, okay, copy this entire thing from here, and just to paste it here. We will say here error dot message. Okay, we will say here error dot message. Okay, so this message is the property of this error object. Okay, so this message is the property, or like property name of this error object. Okay, so this is the error, so this error is the error object. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and inside the finally block we will just again set this loading to false. Inside this finally block we will just again set this loading to false. Okay, so I'll just say here loading to false. Okay, so guys, as of now guys, as of now we have just defined here this fetch books method. Okay, not don't say here books. Okay, it is little difficult to say here. Let it be only books only. So guys, as of now we have just defined here this method called fetch books. Okay guys, as of now we have just defined here this method called fetch books. So guys, we have to call this. Okay, we have to call this explicitly this method fetch book whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Whenever our page is going to be reloaded for the first time, we have to call this fetch books method explicitly. Then only we can see anything in the console or on the browser. Okay, so as of now we have just defined it. So now we are going to call it. Okay, we are going to call it, and it is going to execute whenever the component is going to be mounted for the first time, whenever the page is going to be reloaded for the first time. So we have to call this method fetch books as well. So now we will use this. Okay, use effect hook, and we will just call this method fetch books inside this use effect hook only. So I am going to use here the fat arrow function like this, open and closing curly braces, and I will just give you the empty dependency array. So just open this guys, this is known as the empty dependency array. As of now there is no value inside the empty dependency array, so this use effect will execute only once. This use effect will run only once whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. So we have to call this fetch books method or function inside this use effect hook only like this. So calling the function explicitly. This is it. Okay, this is it. So guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So let me just go to the developer tools, go to the console. So let me just refresh the page one more time. So see, boom guys, we can see here we got the data. Guys, you can see here we got the data. Okay, inside the data you can see here this is the actual data inside the docs. Okay, so inside the docs we can see here actual data, but as of now okay, so response dot data dot docs. Okay, so let me just refresh the page one more time. So we can see here as of now we don't have any data inside the docs. Okay, you can see here array length is 0. So let me just refresh the page one more time. Go to this first console and go to this data, and inside the docs we don't have any data. So let me just use this. Okay, so now we will just use this set book state updater function to update this books state variable. Okay, which is an array. Okay, so now let me just say here, I'll just say here, just paste it here. copy this set books state updater function and just paste it. Now we will just say here response dot, okay, response dot data. We will say here response dot data dot docs, okay, dot docs. Okay, so let just as of now just save the file, and let me just check this URL. If this URL is search term and this search term and this search term, and as of now let's just give here the default value. We will say here math. Okay, so guys, this is the reason, guys, this is the reason we can't see any data inside our docs array. Okay, you can see here, guys, this is the reason we can't see any data inside our docs array. Okay, so we have to provide here, as of now we have to provide here the default value. So we have to provide here the default value, and I have given here the default value as a math. Okay, so as of now just comment this out, default value is math. So we will see now the data inside this docs array. So now refresh the page. So see, boom guys, boom, you can see now the data is here inside this docs. Now the data is here inside this docs, and this is the math is the default value. Okay, math is the default value. Okay, so guys, whatever we will write here, like we can write anything here, we will be able to see that value inside this use, like inside this search input field. Okay, we all know, and I explained you everything. Okay, I'll just say here Harry Potter, save the file, come to the browser. You can see here now the Harry Potter is here, and guys, I explained you, I showed you also that we are getting the data as well. Go to the console and go to this you can see here. Okay, so we can see here we are getting the data now inside this docs. Okay, inside this docs array of object. I explained you, I showed you also everything. Okay, open this object, you can see here, go to the data, and you can see here this is the docs. Okay, this is the array of object. Okay, this is the array of object. You can see here we are getting here 100 data. Okay, you can see here we are getting here the 100 data. So we have to now show the data also. So come to the browser, and now we have to show the data as well. So guys, now first of all we have to okay, so now first of all we have to define this handle search method, which we have already defined here. So now let me just copy this method name or the function name fetch books from here, and we will call this inside this handle search method as well. We will call this method inside this handle search method as well. Okay, so just paste it here, and now just close this. This is it, and now we will just check, okay, if this input field is empty or not. Okay, we will check here if this input field is empty or not. Okay, if it is empty, we are not going to search anything. If it is not empty, then we will search the result, and we will show the result accordingly. Okay, so I will just say here if we will check here if negation of this, okay, search term state variable. We will just trim each and everything white spaces from the left and right of the string, and now we will just trim everything, and we will just say here return. Okay, if not, we will just say here return if everything is like if the input field is blank or the empty. We will just say here prevent empty search. Okay, this is it, and we will just say here call the method, or say here function when search button is clicked. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So guys, now as of now just save the file, and now have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page. So let me just remove this default value Harry Potter from here, and now just save the file, have a look in the browser, and come to the developer tool one more time. Come to the developer tool one more time, go to the console, and guys, as of now we can see here we don't have any value inside the array. Okay, because we have removed here the default value from this search term state variable. So now I am going to search here the math book. So now hit enter, or we can say here See, boom guys, we can see here we got the data. See, now we got the data. So refresh the page one more time. Refresh the page one more time. You can see here there is nothing inside the go to the data, go to the docs. We can see here we don't have anything as of now. So let me just search here biology. So now just go up and now hit enter. So see, boom guys, now we can see here we got the data, and we got the data guys here, and as of now we are getting here the 100 data. Okay, as of now we are getting here the 100 data. So we have to show this data, okay, on the browser for our user, and we will use this pagination also so that we can show here only 10 data on a single page. Okay, and whenever user will change the page name using the pagination, we will show the rest of the data, but every time we will show the 10 data on a single page on the browser. Okay, so we are getting the data now. So let me just okay, so let me just first of all guys, let me just show here the other things as well. Okay, like let me just show here the loading error message as well. So we have to do that now. So I'm going to show here the loading and the error message as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now guys. So I'll just below this, okay, form of like we are going to show the data also. So let me just say here so so let me just check. Okay, so as of now let it be. So go to the inspect, and I'll just guys show you each and everything. Okay, I'll just show you each and everything. So if this book dot length is okay, so we will just show this showing result for search term. Okay, so let me just so input. So we are closing it here. Okay, so form type is submit. Okay, so now showing result for, let's just as of now let me just check. So okay, so showing result for biology. Okay, so we can see here now showing result for biology, say here math. Okay, so showing result here for math, but let me just check what is the issue here. Okay, so book dot length is greater than 0. So if book dot length is greater than 0, so then we will just show here this. So search here math, and okay guys, as of now we are not setting here the book. Okay, as of now we can see here we are not setting here this set book. Okay, state updater function this books like array. Okay, so let me just comment this out, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now we can just search anything. Okay, and now we will just see here the result as well. Okay, we will just see here the result as well. Okay, so let's just I was just commented. Okay, so the this code was commented, so let's just comment it one more time, and now try to search it one more time. Okay, so we won't be able to see anything here. Let's just comment this out, and just uncomment okay that value, and we will just say here okay and if, so we will just say here this search term dot trim dot trim, and we will just check here if this book is set, okay, if there is anything in inside this books array, and if this search term is not empty or not negative. Okay, so let's just now refresh the page one more time, and let me just say here math, hit enter. We can see here showing result for math. Try to remove this, so see it's gone now. So see, let me just say here text center, save the file, and now put here math. We can see here, so let me just say here margin top, okay, 3, and let me just say here as of now, so let's just say here, let's just remove this, okay, font weight or the display. So let's just, okay, let it be guys. Okay, we're just learning here, we're just say here, so now this is cool, and let me just give here the class name also. I'll make here text danger, save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here the math is now here, so whatever we will search here, we can see here showing result for maths. We will say here biology. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just show here the loading spinner as well. Below this we will show here the loading spinner. So I'm going to show here the loading spinner as well. I'll use here the open and closing curly braces, and just to copy this, okay, loading state variable from here. We will check it, okay, if it is true or false. So we will say here if loading, okay, if it is true, okay, we will just create here open this, create here div also. So let's just close this, and now inside this div I'll just say here text center as well. Open this div, and we will just copy this clip loader, copy this, okay, clip loader component name from here, and just now inside this div we will just use this like this. Okay, so I'll just give you the say here, I'll give you the color property as well. I'll just say here red. I'll just say here size property, I'll give you 100 also. We can increase or decrease the size. Okay, so as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now search here, you can see here, boom guys, we can see here the loading as well, the loading spinner I can see here. So hit enter, you can see here, okay, so hit enter, you can see here the loading spinner. So let me just say here margin top 4, hit enter. Let's just make it margin 5 only, so hit enter. Okay, so we can see here the loading spinner is now here, and now, okay, so guys now we have to show here the if result is okay. Suppose we're going to search here math like this. Okay, so we will whenever user will search, we will just show the error message also that book is not, okay, book not found using this, okay, book name or the author name. Okay, so we can search here the book using the book name as well as the author name also. Okay, I explained you when I was explaining you the things. Okay, so we have to now show here the error message as well. So I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces, and let me just copy this loading. Let me just copy this loading, so just paste it here. I'll just use here the exclamation mark to negate it, and just paste it here. Okay, so it is going to negate the boolean value. Okay, if it is true, if this loading is true, this will make it false. If it is false, it is going to make it true. Okay, so that's why we use here exclamation mark to negate it. Okay, to negate it. Okay, so now just open this, and now we will just check here again. We will say here books dot length. Okay, and we will check here books dot length. Okay, if it is equal to 0, okay, which means there is nothing in the books array. Okay, which means there is nothing in the books array. Okay, so now just create here div, and we will just give the class, not children, I'll say here class name, and just to close this div, open this div, I'll just say here text center. Okay, so now copy this, okay, empty component name from this and design, and we will just say here no data found or no book found. So this is the component, so we have to say here, I'll just give you the description as well. I'll just say here description, I'll give you no books to show. This is it. So as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here no book to show. Okay, you can see here this is the random string, this is the random text, so we can see here no book to show. Let me just give here margin top of 5 as well. I'm very sorry. So we can see here no book to show. Now let's just make it math only, and now hit enter. So now we can see here the loading is here, and we can see here the showing result for math as well. Okay, so guys you can see here this is so dynamic, this is so cool, and this is so vast. Okay, we can see here we are loading we are learning here the React conditional rendering as well. Okay, and guys these are known as the React conditional rendering. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now guys as we are getting the data, so we have to show the data as well. Okay, so we have to show the data as well. So now guys we are going to show the data now. So let me just create here one div. Okay, below this we are going to create here one div. I'll give the class name as a row. I'll just say here justify content. I'll say here center. Close this div, and just open this div, and now we have to create here another open and closing curly braces like this. So copy this and just copy this books state variable, which is an array. So guys this books state variable is an array. So guys we can obviously use map method on this books state variable, because this is an array, and we are setting here everything from this. Okay, response from this. Okay, API URL using this set books state updater function to this books, okay, state variable, which is an array. So we can of course okay use dot map method on this books state variable to loop through it. Okay, okay, so I am going to do that now. So copy this books state variable, which is an array. So we will just come here inside this open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here dot map. We have to run here map method. I'll just create here the I'll give you the first okay parameter or the item of this map method as a book only, and I'll pass here the index as well. So I'll just use here the flatter function like this. Okay, not open and closing curly braces like this. Create a div now. So I'll create a div first inside this. So first of all let me just close this. I'll give you the class name as well. Okay, so I'll just give you the class name as a, so let's just make this dynamic classes using the backtick and the dollar sign. Okay, so I'll just say here call md. I'll say here 4. I'll say here call xxl. I'll say here 4. I'll say here or we can say here call extra small. I'll say here 12. Okay, I'll say here mb 4 I'll give here, and let me just give here the key prop as well. So because we have to define here the key prop, so I'll just use here this index. Okay, so guys this is very important to use the key prop whenever we are looping through anything, any array, any object in React. Okay, so through this only React is going to keep an eye on this changes. React is going to keep track of the changes of this element of any element inside this, okay, inside this list or inside this array or the object, okay. This is it, okay. So just to open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here another div. So I'll just create a div. I'll just give the class name as a, let me just use here the dynamic classes. I'll just say here card. I'll just give you the height also 100%, and I'll just as of now just let it be. We can define the other classes later on. Open this div, okay, and inside this div I'm going to use here the open and closing curly braces, okay. So let me just copy this, okay, book, okay, copy this book, and let me just say here dot. As of now just to remove this, okay, as of now just remove this, save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here the the border of the card, okay, class, okay. So go to the inspect first. I want to show you something. So go to the console and open this array. Go to the any element, any first, second, or the zeroth element. Open this, and guys you can see here, guys, okay, this cover I, okay, guys, this cover I is the image, okay, guys, this cover I is the image. So we will use here, we will create here the img link, okay, img src link using this cover, okay. Using this cover you can see here we are getting the data also. Ebook it says, okay, first published year, okay, and we can see here the language, the title, and the author name as well. You can see here this is the author name. So we are getting each and everything, every data we are getting here. So let me just create here open and closing curly braces, and now we will check, okay, and now we will check here if this cover I is defined or not, okay. If it is defined we will show the image. If it is not defined we will show the another data, another image, okay, dummy image, okay. So just now we will say here book, okay, book dot cover I, okay. So let me just copy it from here only. So copy it from here and just paste it here. If it is defined, okay, if it is true, if it is defined, okay, so we will use here the javascript, okay, ternary operator. So just to close this, and as of now just say it here like this also, otherwise it is going to give us the issue. But as of now let it be, let's just create here div, okay, and let me just close this div very quickly. In this way it is not going to give us the error, okay. So I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll say here class name. Let's just as of now this is it, and now we have to define here something, okay, otherwise it is going to show the error like this, okay. So now we can see here let me just say here I'll say here I am not image, I'll say here img, and I'll just so the the tag is img tag, and I'll just say here src. So let me just create here the dynamic src, okay, using the backtick, okay. So let's just go to the example to copy the image only, image url, because it is going to take a few time also. So let's just copy it from here and just paste it here, okay. So paste it here. So this is it, okay. So we will say here this book dot cover I to show the image, and this is the jpg img element, okay. So let me just give you the class name also. I'll just say here card img top. I'll just say here card img top, okay, and I'll just give here the alt attribute, okay. I'll just use the dynamic alt. I'll just say here, guys, just say here book dot, okay, say here we can say here book dot, okay, say here book dot, let's just use here, I'll just backtick. So I'll just say here cover of, okay, cover of, use your dollar sign, open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here book dot, I'll just say here book dot say here title, okay. So say here book dot title, okay, to show the title name as a alt of this image, okay. So guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, boom guys, we can see here they're getting here guys the image. Okay, you can see here they're getting here the image, but as of now we can see here the entire 100 data on a single page. Okay, this is not good, this is not feasible, and this is not a good practice also. And being a good developer, we can't and we should not do that as well. Okay, we can't we should not show the entire data like 100 data, okay, on a single page on a browser. Okay, so for this we have to create here the pagination as well. Okay, so I'll just say here call md3 and call xsl also 3, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now this looks much better. Okay, so now we have to show here the book name, book title, author, and the languages as well. So let me just say here margin top, I'll say here 5. So this looks cool. Okay, so now we have to show here the book name, author name, the language, and the publish here as well. Okay, so just come to the code now, but here inside this video, I mean inside this div, okay, we have to show here the image as well, the dummy image or the empty component. So copy this empty component from here and just let's just give here classes. First I'll give you the classes. I'll just say here card, okay, card img top, and I'll just say here text center, and I'll just say here p5, and I'll just say here bg light. Okay, and now just inside this div, I'll just use this empty component from the ant design, and I'll just give the description as well. I'll just say here no image to show, no image to show. Okay, where guys where we don't have any image. Okay, you can see here let me just you can see here we don't have any image. Okay, you can see here we don't have any image here. Okay, we don't have any image here, we don't have any image here, we don't have any image here. So guys, this is not a good practice to show the blank or the empty card. Okay guys, this is not a good practice to show the blank or the empty card. So we have to show here something. Okay, you can see here this is empty, this is empty. Okay, you can, this is empty, this is empty, this is empty. So we can't show the empty card or empty data on the browser to our user. So for this we have created here this dummy data. Okay, for this we have created here this dummy data. So now save the file, have a look in the browser first. Now we can see here no image to show, no image to show, no image to show. Okay, where we have no image to show, we will say here no image to show. See, no image to show. Okay, see, no image to show. How cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, see, no image to show. Where we don't have any image to show, we will say here this dummy data, no image to show. This looks cool and this looks professional as well. Okay, and it is going to give you the confidence as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. So now we will show here the image name, author name, the publish year as well. Okay, so we are going to do that now. So inside this div, only below this div, okay, inside this div we will create here another div. Okay, I'll give the class name also. So close this div very quickly. I'll give you the class name as a card body. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here the h5 element first. So h5 I'm very sorry, just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here card title. So I'll just say here book. Okay, book dot title to show the book title or the book image or the book name. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, we can see here the book name is here. Okay, so let me just say here, I'll just say here, let me just create here the name. Okay, give colon, give a space. So now just say here name is this. So this is it. Okay, and now I'm going to create here few para element also below this h5 element. So p, close this p, give here the class name also. I'll just say here card text. Okay, card text, and let me just create here the strong element as well, strong and strong. Okay, so let me just say here As of now guys, let me just copy this p couple of times as well to show the author name, like title, and the publish year as well. Okay, so we will just say here the, I'll say here first publish year. Okay, first publish year. So I'll say here year, give a space, give colon, and we will just say here open and closing curly braces. We will say here book dot, okay, book dot, go to the developer tools, go to the developer tools, go to the console, and open this any array object, and open this any element. And now to show here the publish year, copy this first publish year property name from here, and just save it here, and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here the first published year is 1996, first published year is 1823, first published year is 2020, like 2017, and first published year is 1848. Okay, so this is it. So now I'm going to show here the other data as well. We will just say here ebook access. Okay, we will say here ebook access. Okay, if it is borrowable, free, or not to publish. Okay, we're going to show that now. I'll just say here e, okay, e book access, give space, give colon, and we will just say here open and closing curly braces, book dot book dot, we will just say here copy this. Okay, ebook access property name from here. You can see here borrowable, so just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here ebook access, no ebook. Okay, no ebook. You can see here borrowable. Okay, you can see here borrowable. Okay, you can see here borrowable, print disabled, borrowable. Okay, no ebook. Okay, okay, so and now we will show here the publisher as well. Okay, so we will show here the publisher as well. So I'll say here publisher, give a space, give colon, and I'll use here the JavaScript. Okay, optional chaining operator. Okay, JavaScript optional chaining operator we will use here. Okay, so I'll just say here book dot, okay, book dot publisher. Okay, book dot publisher. Okay, if it is defined, we will use here the question mark and dot. Okay, if it is defined, we will show here the publisher name. Okay, we will show here the publisher name. Otherwise we will show here not available. Okay, not available. Okay, so guys, okay, this question mark and dot is known as the optional chaining operator in React or in JavaScript. Okay, and it is used in React or in JavaScript to avoid the runtime issue, to avoid the runtime error. So this is the advantage of using this optional chaining operator. It is going to avoid the runtime error, and our app and our application is not going to crash, is not going to stop all of a sudden. Okay, this is it. So save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here publisher not available, publisher not available. If it is available, we can show the publisher name as well. If it is not available, we will say here not available. Okay, this are not available. Okay, this are not available. Okay, so now we are going to show here the author name as well. We are going to show here the author name. So I'll just say here author, give a space, give colon, and open and closing curly braces. We will say here book. Okay, book dot, I'll just say here author. Okay, I'll just say here author to access the author property. So let's just copy this property from here. Okay, and this is again an array. Okay guys, you can see here this is again an array. Okay, this is again an array. So we will use here the dot join method to join the all the author name. So we will use here again optional chaining operator, dollars, I mean question sign, or the question mark dot. We will use here the join method to join all the author name like this. Okay, this is it. So we have to give here the delimiter also. So I'll give here the delimiter as a comma. If it is not available, we will show here the static or the dummy string. I'll say here unknown this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So we can see here the author name is now here, all the author name. Okay, all the author name is now here, author name, okay, author name. So okay, so let me just close this, because we have shown here each and everything. Guys, you can just show each and everything if you want to show the other things as well. Okay, but for this demo, for this video, I'm going to show this much of details only. It's up to you. If you would like to show the other details, other things as well, you are free to show as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now we have to create here the pagination. Okay guys, now we have to create here the pagination. So guys, now I'm going to create here the pagination. Okay, so guys, come to the code. Now we have to create here the pagination, but before that we have to create here few variable and few more state variables as well. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to create here few variables as well as the state variable. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here const, I'll say here current. So current, okay, page, I'll just say here set. Okay, set current page, and as of now say here use state, and the default value will be only 1. Okay, so current page is only 1, the default value is only 1. Okay, this is it. So now I'm going to create here one simple const. I'll just say here books. Okay, books per page. Okay, like how many books we are going to show on a single page. Okay, per page. Okay, so I'll just show here the 10 page only, or the 10 book only, or the 10 data on a single page. So we will just create here one variable, books per page. This is it. And now I'm going to create here now guys, first we have to let me guys, okay, show you one thing here also. So I'll just say here dot, okay, slice. Okay, dot slice, and I want to show here the only 10 data. So we will say here slice dot 9. Okay, so guys, this is the JavaScript method. Okay guys, this slice is the JavaScript method, and we used this slice method to slice the array. Okay, to slice the array from the starting index. Okay, so this is the starting index, or the starting index, and this is the last index. Okay, so we will see here 10. Okay, 10 books data only we will see here. Okay, so only 10 books data we will see here, and this is the method, slice method. We will use this slice method to slice the data. Okay, so as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now let's just search here. I'll say here math, hit enter. So see, boom guys, we can see here only 10 data. Guys, you can see here only 10 data. Let's just make it, okay, 0 to 4 to show only 4 data. So save the file, have a look in the browser, search book. You can see here only 4 data. We can see here only 4 data now. Okay, so guys, this is the magic. Okay, this is the magic of this slice method in JavaScript, and we are going to use the magic of this slice method of JavaScript to create the pagination here in React.js. Okay guys, we are going to use the magic, we are going to use the result, or the output of this slice method in JavaScript to create the pagination in React. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now just to remove it from here. Okay, let it be only just okay, so let's just copy it from here and just paste it out. So let's just comment this out. This is I have commented, okay, this for your the for your reference, for your understanding. Okay, so as of now just save the file and hit enter. We can see here the entire 100 data, on the browser. So we have to show here only 10 data on a single page. So we are going to implement here the pagination, okay, in our React app. Okay, so come to the code now. So now here we have to calculate here this starting index and the last index. Okay guys, now we have to calculate here this starting index and the last index as well. So we are going to do that now. I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll just say here okay books of books. Okay, books of, or say here index. Okay, index of say here last book. Okay, say here index of last book. So we are going to calculate here the index now. I'll just say here current page. Okay, current page multiply by books per page. So we will get here on a single page, we will get here first 10 books or data, books or data. Okay, this is it. And now we will just create here the const. Okay, const index of first book give equal to, I'll just copy this. Okay, so copy this index of last book minus books per page, minus books per page. So let me just calculate it. So index of last book is, as of now it is 10. Okay, index of last book is as of now 10. Okay, and books per is also, per book is also 10. So minus 10, we will get here first 0, we will get here first 0. Okay, and now we will again increase this. Okay, we will again increase this, make it okay 2, make this current page as a 2 only. So we will get here the current page is now 2, and so the current page is now 2 multiply. Okay, multiply by 10 book per page, we will get here 20 here. And now if it is increased now, so we will now get here the index of last book is now 20 here, minus we will get here book per page is still 10, so we will get here 10. Okay, so in this way we can show the 10 data on each and every single page. Okay, on each and every page whenever user is going to click the pagination button as well. So this is the calculation. Okay, so I explained you also, and now we will just create here the books on a single page. I'll just say here const, I'll just say here books on a single page. We will just give here the equal to, I'll just copy this. Okay, books. Okay, this is the all the data. So guys, this books. Okay guys, this books state variable hold all the data. Okay guys, this books state variable holds or store all the 100 data. Okay, all the 100 data is now stored inside this books state variable, which is an array. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. We will say here dot slice to slice it. Okay, and now we will just pass this. Okay, as a this index. Okay, the first index, copy it from here, give comma, and just index of last book as well. So in this way we have calculated here the index as well. Okay, and now we will now calculate here the total page as well. So I'll just say here const. Okay, total page equal to, I'll just say here math. I'll use here the math method. Okay, so math dot seal, I'll use here seal. And now just close this. We will just use here this. Okay, again books dot okay length, because this is the array, so we can calculate the length only using the length property, divided by okay books per page. Okay, divided by books per page. Copy it from here. So in this way we will get here the 10. Okay, 10 page. Okay, we will get here 10 pages here. In this way we will get here 10 pages. And let me just explain you this math dot seal method, what it is all about. So we will get here comment this out. If math dot seal, if it is 4.4, we will get here 5. Okay, if it is 9.99, we will get here 10. Okay, if it is 7, we will only get here 7. Okay, because this 7 is still still an integer. Okay, so guys, the basic funda, the basic mechanism of this math.seal method is going to return you the round integer. Okay, it is going to give you the integer value. Okay, it is going to give you the integer value. So guys, in this way we have calculated here all the requirements, all the data needed, required to create the pagination. Okay, to create the pagination, so we will use this total pages variable to create the pagination using the array dot from property. Okay, array dot from property. So copy this total page from here, and now we are going to create here the pagination. Okay, using this total page variable. Okay, and using this array dot from to create the array. Okay, so come down, and here below this div we will just create here one div. So I'll just give the class name also. I'll say here deflex, and I'll just say here justify content center. Close this div, and now open this div. I'm going to use here the open and closing curly braces, and because we have to use here array dot from method to create the array dynamically using this. Okay, using this total page. Okay, as of now we can see here we are getting here 10 pages, so we will get here definitely 10 buttons as well. So copy it from here, and now we will just use here open and closing parenthesis, and we will say here length. Okay, colon, we will just say here this total page. Okay, and now give comma, and we will use here the mapping method as well. The mapping method I'll use here the for this array. So in this way we will create here the array of length 10. Okay, in this way we will create the array of length 10. Okay, so array of length 10, and okay, so now we will create here the mapping method as well. Okay, like this, not this outside. Okay, inside this only. Okay, so we don't need here any first element of this. Okay, array method. So we will use here the underscore, and I just want here the index. So now we will use here the map method to loop through this newly created array dynamically. Okay, so we will just say here like this, open this div, and now we will just create here the button element. Okay, button element. So button, and still we can see here the issue. So let me just check here array dot from length. Okay, and issue should be gone now, but okay, so here is the catch. Okay, so now error is gone. So okay, so let's just cut this out button first. Let's just resolve this issue first. Okay, so this is it, and so this is here. Okay, so now just create a button element and button. So now error is gone. Now we don't have any issue now. So let me just give the I will just use here the class, use here the dynamic class name using the backtick. Okay, and I'll just give here the say here I'll just use here the btn and mx. I'll use here 2, and use $sign I'll use here to dynamically apply the classes. Okay, so we will just copy this. Okay, current page state variable. Okay, to apply the dynamic classes, and equal to we will say here index plus 1. Okay, if it is true, If it is true, we will apply here the button dark class. Okay, button dark. Otherwise, if it is false, okay, otherwise if it is false, we will apply here btn outline, btn outline dark. Okay, btn outline dark. So now this is it, and we have to show here the 1 2 3 4 5 as well. So I'll just copy this, okay, index, and we all know this is the zero based index, so we have to say here plus 1. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Search here math, hit enter. You can see here the the pagination button is here. The pagination button is here. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue with the classes. So let me just check what is the issue with the classes btn. Okay, if current bt, okay, is wrong here, btn. Okay, so btn dark, save the file, and now we can see here the dark is here. Okay, so dark is here. So now let me just btn dark, btn outline dark. Okay, so as of now, let me just give here the default value as a math. Okay, so we don't have to write again and again to show the data. Okay, so this is it. Go down, go down, go down, and you can see here. So let me just okay, so we have given here page 2. Okay, so make it 1, like I gave you for the explanation, so make it 1. Okay, so now we can see here the first button is already selected, the this first button. Okay, so I will just give here say here 7. So you can see here this 7 button is already selected. Okay, this 7 button is already selected, so let's just make it 1. Okay, by default it should be 1 only, because we have to show from the like starting page 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so guys, now just come to the code now, and now guys, just to copy this, okay, books on a single page state variable I mean the variable from here, and instead of this, okay, instead of this books, we will say here this, okay, books on a single page 10. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here only 10 data. As of now we can see here only 10 data. See, as of now we can see here only 10 data. So we have to apply here one method also. Whenever user will click on this button, we have to call here one method as well. Okay, we have to call here one method as well as of now. So on this button itself, so make it like this. Okay, so now we will just say here on, it's not con, it's on. Okay, on click, we will apply here one method dynamically using the anonymous factor function. I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle pagination. Okay, pagination, and we have to pass this index. Okay, and we have to make it 1, because we all know index is the 0 based. So this is it. So now just copy this out from here, and we have to define this here. So I'm going to say here const, and just paste it out, and just give here equal to, and just to say here page, give here factor function I'll use here. And as of now, let me just show you in the alert what we're going to get here. I'll just say here page, save the file, have a look in the browser. Click on first, you can see here first. Click on second, you can see here second in the alert. Click on 7, you can see here 7. Click on 10, you can see here 10. Okay, click on 4, you can see here 4. Okay, so page number we are getting here now. So now we will just remove this, and now we will just use this. Okay, we will just use this. Okay, set current page, and we will just set with this page. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click on the second page. See, boom guys, we are getting the data, we are changing the data also. See, boom. Okay, click on fourth. See, we are changing the data, guys. Okay, the data is being changed. Click on fifth. Okay, click on sixth, click on seventh. Okay, click on eighth, click on 9. So we can see the data is being now changed. Click on 10th. Okay, so search here Harry Potter book. So Harry Potter, hit enter. So see, showing result for Harry Potter. Okay, so now we have to go to the first page. Okay, we have to go to the first page. Okay, so just copy this, and on handle search we have to go to the first page now. So now just save it here and paste it here and say here 1. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now as of now we can see here on the 10th page. Still we are on the 10th page, but now again search it. So now see, boom guys, now we are here on the first page. Okay, now we are here on the first page, and now we can see here the data, the books from the Harry Potter name. Okay, Harry Potter. So we can change the data as well. Go to the second page. You can see here the data is being changed. Okay, the data is being changed. Go to the third page. Okay, so go to the fourth page, go to the fifth page. Okay, the data is being changed. Okay, go to the sixth page, go to the seventh page. So we have to guys implement here the tooltip also. So I'm going to implement here the tooltip. So let me just use this tooltip component from this ant design. So let me just come here, and we have to enclose this button only. So paste it here. So just close this here and just cut it out from here and enclose this button. So just say here, I'll give you the placement, I'll give you the top, and I'll give you the color attribute as well. I'll give you the red, and I'll just give you the arrow also. I'll just say here arrow true to show the arrow, and I'll just give you the title to show the content of this tooltip. Okay, I'll use here the backtick. So this is it. I'll just use here the dollar sign, open and closing curly braces, and I'll just use this index plus 1 to make it 1, and I'll just say here pages. Okay, pages. Save the file, have a look in the browser. See, boom guys, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, and page 10. So go to the first page, go to the 10th page. Okay, see how cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, go to the 7th page, go to the 6th page, search here biology book, hit enter. So see, biology book showing results for biology. Okay, so see, we are getting the data, and we can just change the page using this pagination. So data is being changed. Okay, so go to the third page. Guys, do use the headphone. Okay, and please guys, okay, subscribe now my this channel code with ear. Please guys, please it's a humble request from a friend to a friend. It's a humble request from a brother to a brother. Okay, and please guys, okay, do like this video, and please guys, please do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group as well. Okay, I hope you will do now, and you will subscribe now my this channel code with ear. Okay, so just come to the code now. So we can see here the data is also being changed, and the pagination is doing great. Okay, it's doing awesome. Go to the 8th page. Okay, go to the 9th page. See, the data is being changed. Go to the 10th page. guys, like I explained you, guys, B can search anything, any book, okay, any book using the book name itself and using the author name as well. Okay, so I'll just search here. The author name might be Sunny. Okay, author name might be Sunny. So NNUY. So UI, hit enter. So see, boom, guys, you can see here. We can, guys, see how cool and how dynamic and how vast, okay, our book search app is. Okay, we can search, guys, the book name using the author name and using the book name itself. Okay, and it is very vast, very dynamic book search app. Okay, go to the second page, go to the third page. Okay, so guys, now we have to we have to create here the modal as well. Okay, we have to create here modal as well. But as of now, let me just show here the error as well. Okay, so I'm going to show here the error. So I'll just say here if, okay, if this error state variable copied from here, if there is any issue, there is any error, we have to show the error as well, being a good developer. Okay, so we have to do that now. So return create a container div, okay, our parent div. So I'll just give the class name as well. So I will just say here text center, and see here margin top, okay, 5, margin bottom also 5, and just create here h2 element, okay, h2, and give the class name also. Font weight I'll give here bold, and I'll just say here this play, I'll say here 4. Okay, and this is it. And now we will just show here the error variable. What is the issue, what is the status of the error. Okay, if there is any error, we have to show the error as well, like this. So paste it here, and now this is it. Okay, so as of now, just save the file. We won't have any issue, we won't have any error. So now let me just put here anything, okay, inside this, okay, a URL. Let's just make it a invalid URL. Okay, so put here R. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page one more time. So see, we got the issue here, error fetching the data. Okay, error fetching the data. You can see here we are getting the this message, error fetching the data. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just okay, so you can see here error fetching the data. And now if everything is okay, if everything is cool, we will just show the data. So let's just remove this RR from here, save the file. Okay, error fetching the data, and I'll just error fetching the data. We will just say here, let's just put here R as of now, and we will just define this message or the string. Let's just make it a little bit dynamic. Okay, error fetching the data, and I'll just say here please, okay, try again later. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here error fetching the data, please try again later. And let's just make it text danger. So this looks cool also. And now we won't have anything. Okay, so okay, so if we want, okay, let it be. So just, guys, let it be. Okay, let it be. Okay, and now let's just remove this RR from here and save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh the page one more time, and now we can see here there is no issue, there is no any error. And if there is any issue with the book name or the author name, we have to show that also. So we are also doing that now. So I will just say here instead of this image, I will just show the text also. I will, guys, just show the text as well. So okay, so here is the notebook to show, and we will just say here h5 element. Okay, so we have to show here the text also. So give the class name, I'll just say here text center, and font width I'll say here bold, and I'll just show the text dark only, and we will just say here, just copy this and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So let's just say here display, say here 4. Okay, no book to show, and along with this image as well. So this is it. So now just make it a valid book name, math, hit enter. See, loading speed up, and we can see here showing result for maths, and everything is okay. We're getting the data also from the external API, and the pagination is also doing great, and we can see the data is also being changed. Okay, and I told you also that our book search app is very vast, very dynamic. We can search any book name using the book name as well as the author name also. So let's just search here the Gita, or say here Krishna. Okay, I'll just say here Krishna. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see here all the books are now related to Krishna only. You can see here all the books are now related to Krishna only, and you can see here the pagination is also doing great. 6 page. Okay, the data is also being changed. Okay, okay, go to the 10th page. Okay, so Krishna. Okay, Mahabharatam. Okay, so search here Allah, hit enter. So see, okay, so we will get the guys, we will get here the related book. Okay, with the any valid string. Okay, if it is a book, if it is a valid book name or a valid, okay, author name as well, we will get the data. Okay, and the pagination is also doing great. So we have to now create here the modal. Okay, we have to create here the modal to show all the data of a particular book in the modal as well. Okay, so we have to go to here, ant design URL, and just go to the ant. So guys, this is the ant design 5.0. We are going to use here this ant design 5.0. Okay, so go to the components, and go to the components and go to the modal only. So where is the modal? Where is the modal, guys? Yeah, here is the modal. Open this, and okay, so we are going to use this modal. Click OK. So just on JavaScript, and now just copy this modal from here, and just paste it here in our code. So paste it here, this is it. And now let me just make it look a little bit cool also, look wise only. So this is it. So we have to create here a few more state variables. Okay guys, now we have to create here a few more state variables. Okay, so I'm going to do that now for this modal. Okay, for this modal we have to create here a few more state variables. So come here, and now we will just create here const. I'll just say here modal. Okay, modal open. To open the modal, I'll just say here set. Okay, set modal, set modal open, and equal to user state. And as of now, just give here the default value as a false. Okay, so let's just create here. I'll just create here on another state variable. I'll just say here selected. Okay, selected book, and say here set selected book. Okay, give here use state, and just now I'll just give here the as of now, let's just make it a simple or the empty object. Okay, simple or the empty object. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now copy this. Okay, okay, set modal open state variable or the state updater function from here, and just replace with this, replace with this, and now copy this and now copy this, okay, open modal state variable, and just guys replace with this. So as of now, just now, save the file, and let's see if there is an issue, there is any error. So just come to the here and see, we don't have any issue, we don't have any error, everything is doing great. Okay, and we will just apply here the dark mode as well. First of all, let's just create here the dark mode. Okay, let's just create here the dark mode. So on this, okay, on this card we have to create here the dynamic classes also. So using the dollar sign, we will say here if dark mode is true, if dark mode is true, we will apply here the bg dark, okay, bg dark, and we will apply here the text white as well. If it is false, we will apply here the uh, nothing. Okay, this is it. So now on this button also we have to define here one method. On this button we have to define here one method also. So I'll just say here on click, okay, on click, okay, and let's just create here dynamic or the anonymous fader function, and let's just copy this. Okay, where is the set dark mode state updater function, and just say paste it here, and we will just negate it. Okay, we will just negate this. Okay, we will just negate this dark mode state variable. So copy it from here and just paste it here. So as of now, just guys save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button, apply dark mode. So see, boom guys, now the dark mode is applied. Guys, you can see here, now the dark mode is applied. Okay, so go to the second page. You can see here dark mode is still here. Dark mode is still persistent on throughout the page. Okay, throughout the page the dark mode will remain. Okay, it is going to persist. Okay, okay, so just toggle the theme also. You can see here, toggle the theme, see, okay, and we can see here dynamically we are changing the background color of this button also, as well as the text of this button as well. Okay, so you can see here we can apply the dynamically, we can toggle the themes, okay, between light mode and dark mode through this button. Okay, this is it. So we have to create here the pagination as well. But as of now guys, you can as of now we can see here the dark mode, whenever you will refresh the page, the dark mode will be refreshed as well. Okay, it will be vanished, it will be removed. Okay, whenever we will remove the page, we will refresh the page, the dark mode will also be removed. Okay, so this is, you can see here the dark mode is now removed. Okay, you can see here the dark mode is now removed. Okay, but we don't want this feature, we don't want this functionality, so we have to use here the use effect hook again to apply the dark mode whenever the page is also being refreshed or the page is also being reloaded. Then also we have to check the local storage first. So let me just here inside this, okay, I'll just use here the use effect hook again, and we will just use here the fader function like this. And as of now, just give here the blank or the empty dependency array value. I'll just create here the const. Okay, and I'll just say here saved. Okay, saved mode. Okay, which means dark mode or light mode. Okay, so I'll just say here local storage. Okay, local storage dot get item. Okay, local storage dot get item. What to get, guys? Okay, we have to fetch here the dark mode or the key. Okay, so local storage is the mechanism of key value pair. So whatever we have to store there as a string, as a text. Okay, because we can only store the things or the data inside the local storage in the form of string or the text. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we have to store here the key or the value. Okay, key or the value. Okay, key and value, key and value. Okay, so I'll just say here dark. Okay, dark mode. So this is the key. Okay, this is the key. Okay, if it is equal to true. Okay, if it is equal to true, so we will get each and everything inside this saved mode state variable, and we will just check. Okay, so in this way we are just fetching the data. We are just checking the local storage if dark mode is saved or not. Okay, if it is saved, we will get inside this saved mode state variable. And now just copy this out and just paste it out, and now we will just check with this. Okay, we just check with this dark mode state variable. So copy it from here and paste as a this dependency array variable. Okay, so whenever this dark mode will change, this use effect hook will run and we will apply the dark mode dynamically. But here we have to change here a few things also. So we have to check here. Okay, so we'll just say here local storage. We will say here dot set item. Okay, dot set item. What to set, guys? So let me just remove this. So local storage or set item. So this is the key, so let it be here only, and we will just apply here this. Okay, this dark mode. Okay, so copy this and this variable, this state variable dark mode, and just paste it here. So in this way, okay, in this way, if we are checking here if there is anything in the local storage, grab it, get it, and apply it. And in this way we are just changing the value in the local storage whenever this dark mode state variable will change. Okay, whenever this dark mode state variable will change, so we don't have to use here any const or any variable name. So just remove this, and from here everything okay. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So apply the dark mode now, and now guys refresh the page. Okay, so use effect const local storage get item dark mode. Okay, if it is true, okay, just close this. If it is true, we will get each and everything inside this saved mode, and we have to okay. So what is the issue, guys? Here, so set dark mode, and we have to apply the dark mode as well, guys. So we are not applying the dark mode. Okay, we are not applying the dark mode. Okay, so we will just say here why we have created, guys, why we have created this variable save dark mode. Okay, why we have created? Just to update this state variable dark mode through this set dark mode state variable. So we have not applied here anything, so that's why our dark mode was okay vanished whenever the page was refreshed. So now just save the file and just now apply the dark mode. So now the dark mode is now applied. Okay, dark mode is now applied, and now refresh the page. See, boom, guys, boom, the dark mode is still here, guys. The dark mode is now not vanished. It is not going to remove, it is going to persist here. Even you are going to refresh the page, even you are going to reload the page as well. Refresh the page one more time. See, the dark mode is still here. Dark mode is still applied. Okay, and you can see here the button text, the button text is still here saying apply light mode, because dark mode is still applied. Okay, dark mode is already applied, so you can see here apply light mode. So apply the light mode now. So now we can see here the dark mode is now removed, light mode is now applied, and refresh the page one more time. See, okay, so you can see here no dark mode at all. Okay, because we have removed the dark mode, and see the page is now refreshed. So just apply the dark mode, and the dark mode is now applied. Okay, so go to the second page. See, still dark mode is here. Go to the 7th page, still dark mode is here. Okay, still dark mode is here. Go to the 10th page, still dark mode is here. Go to the 8th page, you can see dark mode is still here. We can search the new result as well. I'll just say here water, hit enter. So see, boom, guys, boom, dark mode is still here, and we are getting each and everything, all the books, okay, related to this book name or this keyword water. Okay, see how cool and how dynamic it is. But now we can see here the pagination is also doing great. See, the pagination is also doing great. And go to the 3rd page. I'm sorry. See, the pagination is doing fantastic, it is doing great. Okay, go to the 5th page. Okay, so now guys we have to create here the pagination. Okay, so come to the code now. We are going to create here the pagination. Okay, everything is okay, everything is fine. It's just the modal. Okay, I'm sorry, the modal. Okay, so the modal. Okay, so guys on click of this, let me guys create here one button as well. Okay, let me just create here one button. So I'll just import the button as well from the ant design. So let me just copy this button component, and let me just create here one button, okay, on inside this card, okay. Inside this card, let me just create here one button as well here, okay. So button, close this button very quickly, and say here the type. I'll give here primary. I'll just say here C books, okay, C book details, okay. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. You can see here we got the button here, C book details, okay. C book details button is here now, okay. And now let me just inside this button we have to call here one method as well. On click, okay, on click we will say here uh, use here the anonymous fat array function, and we will say here the open, okay, open modal or open modal okay, say here C books, okay. This looks cool, okay. And now we have to pass this entire book object into this C books method, okay. So now this is it. So we have to define this method now. So copy it from here, and then now we have to define it here. So I'll just say here const, paste it here, and give here equal to, I'll just say here like this, and now open and closing curly braces. This is it. So now as of now just copy this, okay. Just copy this set modal state updater function, I'm sorry, and just paste it here, and we have to say here true, okay. As of now we can see here the default value of this, okay, set modal is false, so we can't see the modal. But here on click of this button set books, we are going to set it true, so we can see the modal. So save the file, have a look in the browser first. See, boom guys, now we can see here the modal, okay. So we have to just show the data dynamically, okay. We have to just show the data dynamically, okay. So modal is now being open on each and every button click, okay. So see, we have to now make it dynamic, so we are going to do that now. So now just to copy this, okay, set, okay, selected books state updater function to update this selected book state variable. So just now inside this only, inside this, okay, C books method only, we will just set with this entire book object. And now guys, now everything is inside this set selected book state variable, which is an array. And as of now this is the blank or the empty object, okay. This is an object, okay, blank or the empty object. So copy this set selected book state variable from here, and come to the modal now, okay. Come to the modal now. So we have to make this modal dynamic also. So I'm going to do that now, okay. So let me just make it dynamic, this title as well, okay. So let's just use here the open and closing curly braces, and use here the backtick to make it dynamic. And now, okay, so now we will just say here selected book. I'll use here the JavaScript optional chaining operator, okay. So like this, and dollar and the question sign and the dot, and now we just say here title. If it is defined, we will show the title. If it is defined, we will show nothing. And in this way, using this, okay, like optional chaining operator, it is going to avoid the runtime error. So our app won't crash, and it is not going to stop all of a sudden as well, okay. So this is the advantage of using this optional chaining operator, okay, in React, okay. It is going to avoid the runtime error, okay. This is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, we can see here the title is now here, okay. So see, it's now dynamic. The modal title is now dynamic. You can see the modal title is now dynamic, okay. So see, okay, click OK. The water which, okay, so you can see here the water which, click OK. And see here water for elephants, see book details. You can see here the title is now dynamic, water for elephants, click OK. The enormous, okay, crocodile, see book details. You can see here the title is now dynamic of this modal, the enormous crocodile, click OK. So now we have to define the image, name, first publisher, ebook publisher, and the author as well. Okay, so now just to remove this, okay, just to remove this, we have to do that now. So I'll just create here the strong element as well. So strong and just strong, okay. And now we will just say here open and closing curly braces. We will just say here this, okay, this selected book state variable from here, and now we will say here dot title to show the, I mean not target, it's title, it's title. Okay, so we will just say here in the strong, we will say here title, give a space, give column, give a space, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So see book details, see the title is this, okay, click OK, see book details, the title is this. Okay, so now as of now guys, first of all we have to create here inside this modal, we have to create here the image. Okay, so I will just create here as of now, just now. So open and closing curly braces, so copy this. Okay, if it is defined, okay, if it is defined this selected book, then only we will show the data, otherwise we will show nothing. So for this we have to say here like this. Okay, and if it is defined, okay, and if it is defined, then only we will show the data, otherwise we will show nothing. Okay, so this is it. So let's just cut it out and just paste it here, not inside this, inside a container div. Okay, inside a container div, or let it be only this JSX fragments. Okay, let it be this JSX fragments only. So error is now gone, and let's just create here the img element first. So let me just, okay, copy the img element, okay, from here only. Let's just copy it from here, and let's just paste it here. Okay, let's just paste it here. So now we have to just change this. So selected book, and just because of this book, so just paste it here. This is it. Okay, and now just change this also. This is it. Let it be only say here img fluid, say here img fluid class. Okay, and mb I'll give here also 4, and let it be only 4. Okay, and I'll just create here the style attribute also. So you just make it, okay, I'll just give you the width of 100%, give comma, I'll just say here height of, okay, 300 px. Okay, and give comma, I'll just say here border radius, I'll also give here border radius, also I'll give here the 10 px. And now I'll just say here object fit, also I'll say here cover. Okay, this is it. So as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first, and see book details. So see, boom guys, we can see here the image now in the modal also. See book details. Okay, so see how cool and how dynamic our app is. Okay, our book search app is. Okay, so see this. Okay, see this island of blue dolphins, click OK. The comedy of errors, close this. Okay, so everything is doing great. We have to just show here few things as well. So I will just okay, so I have shown here the title, and I'll show here the author name as well. So let me just copy this entire p and replace with this p, and replace with this p as well, and say here author, this is it. And now we will say here publisher, okay, publisher, and we'll just say here, that So I'll just say here author name, we'll say here book name dot author name. Okay, and we have to use here the optional chaining as well, and we have to use here the join method as well. Okay, so I'll just say here join method. Okay, we'll just use here the join method, and we have to give here the delimiter as well, like this. Okay, if it is okay, if there is no any like if there is no any author name, we will say here no author name. So capital A, save the file, have a look in the browser, see book details. You can see here the author name is here. Okay, you can see here the author is the Petronius arbiter. So you can see here the author name is also here. Okay, so close this, and now inside the publisher we will say here publisher. Okay, optional chaining operator. If it is okay, we will show the publisher, otherwise we will show nothing. So say here 0th element. Okay, if it is okay, we will show the publisher, otherwise we will say here not available. Okay, not available. Copy this and just paste it here. Okay, and now we will show here the publish year as well. So I'll just say here publish year as well. So we will just say here I'm sorry, so remove this all the things, and we will just say here first. Okay, first publish year. Okay, if it is there, we will otherwise we will show here no date. Okay, no date. Okay, this is it. And now we will just say here I'll just show all the languages as well, like Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. Okay, so I'll just say here language. This is it. And now just to remove this, we have to show here all the language as well. So you can see here language. Okay, language. Okay, if it is defined, we will show the language, and we will join all the languages as well. So dot join. Okay, and give here the delimiter as well, like this. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see book details. See, boom guys, you can see here the title, author, publisher, publish year, and the languages are also here. Okay, English. Okay, so this is it. Oh, click OK. See book details. Okay, see book details. Okay, so pagination is also doing great. I showed you and I have explained you also how to create this kind of simple and dynamic pagination. Okay, so guys, this is really cool and really easy to create the pagination in React.js. Okay, and I hope I have explained you each and everything to the deep and to the code as well. Okay, and we can see I have explained you each and everything. And just search here the I'll just search here book name. I'll search here say here etiquette. Hit enter. So you can see here good manners. You can see here good manners. Okay, you can see here culture shock. Okay, Myanmar, the survival guide for to customs and etiquette. Okay, so you can see here these books are all related to this keyword etiquette. Okay, so you can see here we are getting only here one data, only 4 data. We are getting here only 4 data. So this is it. Let's just search here the manners as well, and let's see what we will get here with the manners keyword. We can see here we are getting here the now we are getting here 10 data. Okay, or the 100 data. So we can see here how cool and how dynamic it is. We can see each and everything inside the modal as well. Whenever you will click this button, see book details, everything inside the modal dynamically. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I hope guys I have explained you each and everything to the deep to the core also. And guys, I hope you have learned something new, something cool, something awesome from this video, from this session. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, right below this video. Okay, there is a comment section. You can just you can just ask me the question. You can just you can just clear your issues, query there in the comment box, and I'll just try to read it, and I'll just try to revert back you. Okay, and I'll just give you the best okay possible solution as well. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something new, something cool, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, and we feel guys, okay, I feel we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my session, and for watching my content as well. Thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot from bottom of my heart, from bottom of my from core of my heart. Okay, and thank you guys who has already subscribed now my the channel Code with ER, and thank you to also those guys who has not subscribed yet. Okay, please guys सब्सक्राइब कर लो भाई, प्लीज़ देखो ना भाई लोग सब्सक्राइब कर लो, वरना आपके कोड में मतलब बग्स आते रहेंगे. ओके, सो प्लीज़ गाइज सब्सक्राइब नाउ, and please okay don't mind this message. Okay, please guys, okay, don't mind this message. I have just okay written this message okay for a comical, like for a like we can say here for comedy. Okay, for comedy purpose. Okay, so just please don't mind this okay message. Okay, please this message. Okay, so see you guys. Guys, let me guys okay read something for you. Okay, so that it will give you the confidence, it will give you the motivation to create to like this to like my video and to subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, let me just read something for you. So I'll say here, hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. Okay, if that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember there are countless channels out there offering cheap and dirty and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so guys, if you have learned okay something today, found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Your support means the world to me. Yes guys, you heard that right. Okay, your support means the world to me. So please guys support now, and please subscribe now my the channel Code with ER, please. Okay, at the end of the day, it's all in your hand. Take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys subscribe now, please subscribe kar do bhai log, please, please, ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, please, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, please subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my session. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.